We are gonna move on to the next step of adding the tassel. We are gonna be using a small jewelry drill. We have the little screw eye pin. We have some jump rings. This is just gonna be a little thing, it's a little cute little fun thing to attach it to the top. I've chosen a fun little charm. It says imagine. We're gonna use a pom-pom, and I'm probably gonna make an alphabet letter to go along with this. So the first step that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our jewelry hand drill, and we are going to go right in between the top and the bottom, and we're gonna use our little hand drill to pre-drill the hole for the eye screw to go in there. With this one, you just wanna be slow and steady. So now at this point, we've got our little eye pin screw, and that will go right in there. But what we're gonna do is add the teeny tiniest drip of UV resin, and then we're gonna use our needle nose pliers, and we are gonna go ahead and screw this in. And the UV resin, once we cure it, will help lock the screw into place. Then we're gonna go ahead and stick it under the light and let that cure up. So we're gonna take the jump ring and we're gonna hook it on, and we're gonna hook our first little keychain bit using our little needle nose. What's nice about this one is it's a release. So if we wanna wash the top, we could take the pom-pom and all the little goodies off of it. Now, you just kind of can build this to be what you want it to be. This is a little bit of chain off of a key ring, and I'm going to use this to go ahead and hook my pom-pom on. I'm going to use a jump ring, hook it on one side, hook it to there, and then I'm actually going to hook it to the little tassel. Now, you can build yours as extravagant or as simple as you want. I love these little pom-poms. I think they're adorable. So that's on there. Now I'm gonna take our alphabet mold, and I'm gonna make an alphabet letter to match, and I can hang it off of here, and it'll be super cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep using UV resin, but again, you can use pouring art resin for this portion. I'm gonna mix a little bit of the purple and a little bit of the white. When you're using UV resin to make a large item, you wanna do it in small layers to make sure it cures properly all the way through. So we're gonna add a little bit of Travis to this round, and then a little bit of Diaval. And then we're gonna put Murphy on the other side. Again, we're gonna work this in small layers. We're gonna just pour it right down. I'm gonna make an M. It's only like a third the way full, maybe a half. And we're gonna go ahead and let this cure up underneath the light. All right, so now we're gonna add our second layer. So now we're at the last little step that we're gonna do here, and we are gonna use our hand drill. I'm gonna pre-drill the hole just a little bit. It makes it a lot easier to get the screw, the eye screw into there. Then we're gonna take our little jewelry, I have my little needle nose pliers, and I clamp onto it nice and tight. Then we can take the jump ring from the bottom of the keychain. My super strong fingernails with these acrylics on make it easy to use, and we're just gonna attach that on there. All right, so there we go. We've got it all finished. You can see we got our cute little tassel. It's all attached onto our tumbler. It's on the lid, so you can unscrew it and it separates. If you need to remove it to wash it, I use these cute little clips. That way you can unclip and unhook it and wash the cup without getting the tassel or feathers or pom-pom or whatever you decide to attach onto the cup. You can avoid getting it wet. If you don't put a pom-pom or anything fabric on here, you could probably even just wash it with it. Like if we had just added the letter, it could probably just easily be washed, hand washed. But yeah, that's a fun little thing. I hope you guys learned something new, and I hope this helped you guys out.